Hi everyone, need a faster way to open your Android phone's camera? In this guide, I'll show you to enable the double press power button shortcut so you can launch the camera app instantly and never miss an important moment. Step 1. Start by unlocking your Android phone. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick settings panel, then untap the gear-shaped settings icon. You can also find the settings app in your app drawer. Step 2. Scroll through the settings menu until you find advanced features. On some Android phones, this option may be called system buttons and gestures or special features, depending on your device manufacturer and Android version. Step 3. Tap side button or side key on some Samsung Galaxy devices. This menu lets you customize what happens when you press or double press the power button. Step 4. Locate the double press option and switch the toggle on. This enables a shortcut that activates whenever you quickly press the power button twice. Step 5. Select Quick Launch Camera if it's available. If your phone instead shows Open App, tap it and choose the camera app from the list. Your selection will be saved automatically. Test the shortcut. Now lock your phone or return to the home screen. Quickly press the power button twice. The camera app should open immediately, allowing you to capture photos or videos without navigating through menus. This feature works on many Android devices, including Samsung Galaxy and other brands, although menu names may vary slightly. If you don't see this option, your phone may use a different gesture or may not support the feature. And that's it. You have successfully enabled the double press power button shortcut to launch the camera instantly on your Android phone, making it much faster to capture important moments whenever they happen.